Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to buy a house using Zillow. Whether you're a first-time buyer or just looking for a better way to search for your dream home, this guide will walk you through everything you need to know. We'll cover how to filter your search, spot great deals, and understand the details in each listing so you can make smart decisions. I'll also share some tips to make sure you don't miss out on hidden gems and get the best value for your budget. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident navigating Zillow and finding the house that's right for you. So grab a pen, maybe take some notes, and let's dive in. First, we start by opening our Zillow dashboard. Once you're there, look to the left side of your screen and click the tab that says Buy. This will take you to the section where you can browse homes for sale. Next, if you want to narrow down your search, you can use filters to specify the type of house you're looking for, the location, your price range, and other preferences like the number of bedrooms or bathrooms. This helps you find homes that match exactly what you're looking for. Once you find a house that catches your eye, click on it. A new screen will open showing detailed information about that property, including photos, price, square footage, and additional features. Take your time to explore these details to make sure it fits your needs. If you like what you see, scroll down to the bottom where you'll see options to contact agent name or request a tour. Clicking contact will open a form asking for your phone number. After entering it, click contact agent. This sends a default message to the agent letting them know you're interested in the property. From there, you can continue the conversation directly with your agent to ask questions or schedule a visit. This step-by-step approach makes it easy to find, evaluate, and reach out about homes without missing any important details. And that wraps up our step-by-step guide on how to buy a house using Zillow. I hope you found this tutorial clear and easy to follow. Remember, the key is to take your time exploring listings, use filters to narrow down your search, and make sure to check all the details about any home you're interested in. Don't hesitate to reach out to the agent if you have questions or want to schedule a tour. This is how you make sure you're making informed decisions. Keep practicing these steps, and soon navigating Zillow will feel second nature. Whether you're a first-time buyer or looking for your next home, these tips will help you save time and find the best options that fit your needs. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.